to my channel. Right now it's 6:02 in the morning. It's the first day of school. Can you believe it? Cause I can't. Fake teeth, baby.
First day
of school. Guys, it's too early for this. Look at Lacey, she's like scared. You guys scared her. Guys, what?
What?
Okay.
You went to bed early.
Yeah. I know. So I went to bed at like, what time do we?
Like 7:30.
I went to bed at 7:30. Then I woke up in the middle of the night at 12:40. I thought it was morning. And I was like, oh.
Technically it was.
Yeah. But I was like, oh my god, I have like 5 more hours to go. And then I had a dream that there were like maggots in my room. Don't ask me why, but I had a dream that there were maggots in my room. And then I woke up at 6.
Maybe the dream was about you cleaning your room more.
Out of pocket. But then when I woke up at 12, I saw a text from Lexi at 10 p.m. and it said, hey, I'm getting coffee in the morning from Summer Moon. Do you want anything? And I was like, yes. So she's gonna get me a mocha.
What time are you leaving?
I have to be there at 9. All right, this is my breakfast. This is it. I'm going back to bed. So it was up until yesterday that I thought I was gonna be having a normal first day of school, until I called my friend Lexi and I was like, hey, on our second period, which we have off, do you wanna go get coffee? And then she was like, dude, we don't actually have school, like that type of school tomorrow. I mean, they're taking attendance, but it's not like that. And I was like, what do you mean? Basically, today and tomorrow, because today's Thursday, we're playing games at school, hearing people talk, I don't even know, doing like service projects outside from 9 to 4. So like, at first I was a little sad because I was like, I want a typical first day of school, you know? I want to be able to wear my uniform. I don't really want, like I thought we were gonna learn, you know? But now, it doesn't really sound like a bad idea. But anyways, I'm eating breakfast right now. I spilled it all over the counter. Oops. Oh.
I'm all
so
in every
good.
time like casinos. Came here strictly, but this I don't mean no. I just cash in, got my cash in.
If you guys like sausage, you need to try Duke's. Dad, show them your morning hair.
Morning hair.
Look at this morning hair, hey, yo. Ooh, good question. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? The sun is coming out. I'm going to do my makeup for the day and you guys will get to see what my first day of school makeup routine is like in case you want some inspiration or something like that. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is pin my hair back because my hair is quite long. You never want to start with dehydrated lips. Then I'm going to, this part is so weird, but I'm gonna check around my face, especially my eye area, because like You know how sometimes you can get like stuff in the corner of your eyes, or like, I don't know, when you wake up, sometimes your face can have like crusties. Now that my face doesn't have that, I'm gonna go in with some primer. I'm using the Pure Canvas primer from Laura Mercier. Y'all, I cannot believe I literally spilled cereal all over the counter this morning. That was so embarrassing. Next, I'm going to go into my drawer and use the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. I am the shade G8. Also, I'm gonna upload the 4th video in my vlog series. Let me know in the comments if you guys have liked that. If this is your first time watching me, basically in a nutshell, I did Vlogmas, but a countdown for back to school, and I called it vlog series. The response has been so good, which has made me so happy, because it's been a lot of time and effort filming, editing, and then uploading like the same or next day. Oh my gosh, it is so bright. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer. Literally, if you guys use the Shape Tape concealer, you would know that a little goes a long way. Like, that's literally the only amount of concealer that you need to use. Then I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Wowder Powder. Super convenient and easy. All you do is just literally take a brush and just brush it over your face, and it kind of like locks in your makeup, preventing it from becoming oily throughout the day. Probably should have plucked my eyebrows yesterday, but it's whatever. I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Brow Powder. This stuff is a lifesaver. Anything by Benefit, I think I've used almost all of their eyebrow products and not one of them has disappointed me. I'm gonna do some bronzer. Let's do some blush and then some highlighter. This is the Cookie Benefit. I love this highlighter. I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a good one. Alright, y'all, who wants to see these badass choices for my first day of school? We got 3 options to wear to school today. It's about to be lit. Option number 1, we've got a jersey that says Mueller. It's like dark green, forest green. The back says 5. 5's a good number. Option number 2, we have a shirt in a light teal bluish color that says Mueller. Got a nice deer on the front. The back has nothing. Brand is Comfort Colors. And last but not least, we have another shirt. This time it's a little darker and it says Mueller on it. The back has a deer. What are we thinking, guys? Because I don't want to wear any of these, but I really don't know, you know? Like, maybe I shouldn't wear this one because I wore this yesterday and I got pulled over. That's out of the picture. We've got the jersey. I feel like the jersey could be really cool. Like, who even says I wore a jersey on the first day of school? I'm gonna try on the jersey with the shorts. We're gonna see how this goes. It's not as bad as I thought. I mean, it's not cute at all, but for what we're working with, I think it'll work. I like this top better just because I feel like those type of shirts, since they're gonna make us do stuff outside today, it's like gonna be 93 degrees. Also, I think I chipped my tooth. Okay, anyways, besides that, it's supposed to be like 93 degrees today, and there's no way I'm wearing that Comfort Colors t-shirt. That is just a death sentence. So I guess I'd rather wear this jersey instead. And then I have these shorts. These are probably the longest pair of shorts that I own. The other ones, nope, will not cut it. And then I have this belt on from Princess Polly. I feel like a camp counselor right now. When I was putting on my shirt, I like hit my tooth, and now my tooth is like ringing. It really hurts. I'm gonna put on some jewelry to spice up this outfit because I'm really sad that this is my first day of school fit. So let's go make ourselves pretty. Actually, first off, I need to put on deodorant because nobody wants. Wait. Hello? Let's put on some perfume. Also, y'all, my chapbooks came in. Like, it's a monthly book thing where you can upload all your photos and then you like have them forever. This is my little jewelry box. I think today I want to wear some of these bracelets, maybe a necklace, maybe these earrings, because if we're gonna like be running, I don't want to wear hoops.
I've said it once and I'll say it again, because I mean it. I won't be the girl that you used to get over your feelings.
These earrings are so nice. They literally just like clip in and close. Alrighty, fit looks like this. We got some jewelry on. Oh my god, I cannot believe this is my first day of school fit. I'll let you guys know when I'm leaving. Lexi's getting me coffee this morning and I'm like so happy.
'Cause I fell in love.
So the only things that I'm gonna be bringing to school today, I guess, now, are my water bottle, my phone, my keys, and then all that's gonna go in here. And I was supposed to make lunch, but I didn't, so we're just gonna be eating snacks today because I am already late as it is. And I literally woke up at like 6 a.m. Okay, well this is depressing. Oh wait, I'll get applesauce. Today's featured snacks are Go-Go, oh wait, this is not Go-Go Squeeze. This is Squeeze Me Applesauce by HEB, Skinny Pop, and Made Good Mixed Berries. Hopefully I can snag some food off of someone because I just really don't have time.
And maybe if it's right, you became the perfect guy. Who knows what to do? Oh, but you're just a child.
Hasta luego, casa. Woo. I'm probably not gonna be able to vlog anything during the actual school day. Look at what the queen just brought me. Guess who just got home from school? Also, you guys, the parents came to the school today and decorated our cars, and look at how good this looks. We stand. I'm obsessed with it. And I'm also really thankful that they only did the back and not the sides or the front because it is kind of hard to see. Like, I was looking in my rearview mirror and I could not really see out of it, but it's so cute. So I'm really glad that they did that.
'Cause I fell in love with your potential. Always made you my essential. Why did every day feel like a chase? Shouldn't loving someone go both ways? Draining all my energy for someone who never made me a priority. Why did every day feel like a chase?